Central Java Provincial Government presents Borobudur International Festival. In the 2nd century BC, the Greek poet and historian Antipatros of Sidon described the 7 wonders of the ancient world. These sites included the pharaohs of Alexandria, the Great Pyramid in Giza, Egypt, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, the Temple of Artemis, the Colossus of Rhodes, the statue of Zeus, and the Mausoleum of Halicarnassus, all considered at the time to be without equal. But due to the work of archaeologists, historians and explorers during the last 200 years or so, many other historic remains have been uncovered, sometimes called the 8th wonders of the world. One such claimant, with a case as good as any and better than most, is Central Java's Borobudur, one of the world's most ancient monuments. From its early beginnings in the 9th century, Borobudur has attracted countless numbers of pilgrims, explorers, scientists, and visitors. However, in many aspects, it is still shrouded in mystery and tradition. It was reclaimed from the dust of history and fertile Javanese mud in the early 19th century, and its restoration has since been underway. In combination with international efforts at archaeological and architectural research and preservation. Borobudur's magnificence is perhaps best illustrated by the yearly celebration of Waisak, the holy transition to the Buddhist New Year, when congregations from Buddhist communities, countless number of pilgrims and visitors from all over the world gather here. Borobudur becomes vibrant, lively and colourful again as once before, and this unique gathering is able to act out an overwhelming feeling of friendship and togetherness for all. For those involved in the ceremonies, international visitors, and the local communities welcoming them. There is great harmony, great friendship, and great admiration for this place and for their fellow visitors. Suddenly, the differences in language, culture, and personal background do not seem to matter, and there is a genuine celebration of unity, solidarity, and international friendship. This is perhaps most clearly illustrated by this year's theme for the Borobudur International Festival 2013, Culture Linking Friendship. "2013 is a milestone for the development of Central Java's culture and tourism, where we attempt to accelerate the culture and tourism sector on a provincial level through the Visit Jawa Tengah 2013 program. Besides Central Java's rich array of tourist attractions, the program is also based on a number of specific circumstances, such as the availability of an elaborate infrastructure, existing government agencies, the involvement of local experts, tour packages, as well as the support and involvement of local communities. In addition, we are organising a Travel Mart for international buyers in tourism, an international seminar on cultural heritage and tourism, a great exposition entitled Pasar Rakyat, a complementary Central Java tour, and presentations of art and culture at the foot of the magnificent Borobudur, featuring local as well as international artists and performers. This is where local hospitality and culture links with international friendship.